8 in the morning in Venice. We are walking to the train, but I'm pretty sure today we're gonna miss the train because my mom is here and she takes forever. So I don't have my hopes up. I actually need to go to the pharmacy to get some stuff, as usual. I have like cuts all over my hands, partly from diamonds. So let me tell you, today is the last day of the fair. Look how pretty it is in the morning. Not that way. And today they actually end much sooner than the other days. So usually it's open until 6:30 or something. And today they close at 4, which means that everybody has to be out by 4. So it's really gonna be a really short day, which is why I was trying to go really early. And to be honest, I'm kind of done. I know who I'm ordering from. I know my new suppliers. I don't really have time to have meetings with anybody new. I have enough material to make a few designs that I want to make. I can't wait to show you. So yeah, I'm taking kind of leisurely. There's a few people that are holding me diamonds, but to be honest, diamonds are so expensive that I don't want to accumulate a bunch of diamonds. I mean, they're tiny diamonds. It's not like I'm buying carat and carat. But still, I don't want to accumulate a lot of stones that I may have spent, hundreds of pounds on, and then not have an immediate design to put them into. So that's the circumstance. Oh my god, the air is so fresh this morning. I just love mornings. I've become such a morning person. This is the part where the station is. You can see a lot more people here. This is always really busy. I'm actually so glad that I'm not staying in this area because it's nice in terms of the landscape is nice, but it's really full of people coming and going with suitcases and a lot of really touristic places. You won't believe what happened to me the other day. So I was carrying a lot of stuff and I'm walking a lot, and I thought I had broken my shoulder, because I do have a broken shoulder, which I manage with a lot of exercise, but I thought I had properly broken it more, and it hurts. I could move it, and then can you believe that in one day, through stretching exercises, just a series of mobilizations, things I have learned through my osteopath, I fixed it. It's just people don't believe me when I tell them, when you think you have something broken and when you actually have something broken. Like, I have been told by doctors that I wouldn't be able to move several parts of my body, not just that one, and I've managed it. So you just don't underestimate the power of exercise and your body responding. If you tell your body that it has to move, the body will usually move, but you just have to treat it like you really can do it and do strengthening stuff. Here we are. Best friends with the doctor at this fair. Look at how many plasters I have. I just went there so that he could change my plasters because I keep cutting myself and it's disgusting. So I don't know if you've seen this before, but this is like a bakery slash bar. People are drinking wine in there right now. Do you do that in your country? I've never seen that before. I bought one of these Murano pens and it actually works really well. I didn't really know what to expect, but it's actually a really nice working calligraphy pen. I need to show you this star. I've been dreaming with stars, like this one. And I also particularly like that window. I love these narrow, tall windows. Do you realize that all the shoes that they have in displays here, they look like they have already been through a flood?
Massinati in Italy, senta a me non c'è sta niente a fa. Ok, Napolita, tu vuoi fare l'America, tu vuoi fare l'America. Qui si parla rock and roll, qui si parla rock and roll, qui si parla rock and roll, qui si parla rock and roll.
I'm seeing pens and fountain pens. Tenemos Google Maps. We just went through Florian Cafe. Oh my god, look at my nose. This smells exactly like our bathroom.